So you already started recording? Suman?
Recording started, Krishna.
Okay, yeah, fine. Okay. See, last week I got the request, that is one of the requests which is running in RHL 7. That needs to be rebuilt with RHL 7, RHL 8. So this is the request I got from security team. So they are currently running the servers, this server, this is a server that's a 70 VLAN that the server is running in RHL 7. So they want to rebuild with RHL 8. So this is the things I want to show you guys how to do the rebuild and also. Okay. So these are the requirement. So these are all the just normal requirement, and these are all the things. So these softwares will be handled by the chef only. So nothing else, nothing, any specifications, just we need to take care of that one. We need to log into the existing servers. What we are the check the request. The request resources are like CPU and memory and how disk size. So like that. So what I can do that just already in that this is a gem server where we can log in from the gems to log in that VLAN 70 service. Okay, so let me see. Okay, are you able to see the screen, right? Hello.
Yep.
Yeah. So this is a server. Oh, okay. So I removed that one. So because in the last time I deleted that computer objects. So that is AD authentication. So that's why I couldn't able to log in the server. So okay. Let me log into the case center. From here, I'm just power of the server. So before we need to start the server, so I'm just powering on that one because we are using the same server name and same IP also. So that's why. So I can rename it. Just so I just powered down that servers. So let's start this in RHL 8. This is a template. So this is the template where we are using that for now. Currently, we are using all the servers from this template only we are building. So in the time, just select the template, just go to the options, just click that one, new wave VM, this one, type the server name, and selecting accordingly which applications that should be placed in the VM. So we have now many folders are there, but this is a security service. So that's why and also there is a Rapid7 service. So in that folder, the server should be placed in that one. So that's why we are not putting specifically we place the server on this particular folder. Go to next. Here always we need to select that IELTS is cluster only. And we need to select the storage because that is a security service, that is they are locating, they have different data stores. So we have checked that one. This is yeah, this is the security service. So we need to select the particular data store for only security service. If other service, we need to select the other normal TF101 to 09 is there. So we can select any things from 01 to 09. So, but this service is related to security service. So that's why we, allow locating that particular data store. So this is a FA security data store. And just we need to customize that we just select all the. So you have to check. Go to next. So we need to give the IP and this one. This is the IP. And gateway also. This is the gateway. So only three things, only IP address and subnet mask and default gateway. We'll just take that next. Here we need to give that CPU and memory. So what they requested, 6 CPU and 16 GB memory. 6 CPU, 16 GB. And select the VLAN. That is a VLAN is 70. So these are the things. This is a sort some template we are creating from this template. This is our own name. That's a folder where we placed. This is a cluster name. It's a data store. So these are all things. This is a normal thing. So everything is the same format. So only one thing is different is the only security data store only is different from some other servers. Normal server we selected other data store. So this is a security server. That's why we selected this one. So just click finish. Just put that season. This is server we just now created. So you can log into that with the root. I think the password is wrong. So
How you doing?
hello.
Yep, we're good.
Okay. So like that we will comment because I am logged in directly with the root with the password of the check passwords. Okay. So that is a no. I'll share with the password. Okay, in the simulation. And no, this is a server. So log into the server. So you see that there's a host name will be changed. -0 like that. So first we can change the host name. hostname CTL. So this is a hostname I have to change this. So these are the things we have to do. So once created the servers, just log in the server because we are giving the IP address and one subnet mask, right? So automatically in the behind, they'll create the interface and everything. So no need to do anything in the login the servers. Go to set the IP and everything, nothing. So no need to do anything the manually. Just give the IP and subnet mask and gateway. So that's it. So after that, you can able to log in the server successfully because already the setup interface in the behind the and then that will be created, the interface and everything. So no need to create manually. So I log into that with the root. Now I change the host name as well. Now if you check the IP also, it's IP also is changed. This one is the same thing. So now we need to create the for this because this is a server standalone server I created. For that we need to create the AD authentication. So for that we need to create the computer objects. So I can show the computer object where we need to go that one. Just please. So you know to log into the RDP to the Windows server because that is a Windows release. So they have AD computers and users, right? So where we need to create that computer objects. So once log into the Jump server, here always we need to use our ADM account only to log in this server. That is a PRD. This is Windows server. Take the RDP into PRD Jump server. From there you go to this server. This is a PRD. The server name. This is the server name. So once you log into the Jump server, from there you have to take the RDP terminal. So this is where we can see the Active Directory users and computers. So here we can see that all the our computer objects for each and every service. So this is the servers where we are about admin service Linux. In that one, accordingly, we need to create that each organization unit. So normally all the security servers placed in that this is Nessus. This is the OU. This OU should be placed in all the servers because we have already created this all Synphox servers. So we place these servers in that particular OU. So this is one of the computer objects. So we need to create according to that OU because for take this is a boss servers or LT suite servers are placed here, and all ping servers, terminal servers or some other servers, and other the basic Linux servers all be placed here because these These servers we are only as a platform team only we are using. So that's why we created only for Linux OE only. Under the Linux OE only, all the other OEs, the application OEs, because last BOS, Cognos, and LDSU. So we need to create according to the particular OE only. We have to place the servers. So that is a computer object. So these are the AD. So we have a script that's a shell script only. So it's in a PowerShell script only. So that will be in that. Just open the trade, right? That is this. So in that server, just now go to the D drive, script in that Linux. So we have this PowerShell script only. Just open with Notepad. So like that only. So we need to give the computer name, and automatically will be taking the DNS name and also. So we need to give the particular OE only. So I just changed that only because I already previous security server is placed. Just put it in the same name, and we need to give the server name, and the same OE name is the same as only, because we need to place the servers this in SSOE only. So it's already placed that one, so no need to change anything now. But if you want anything, if we want to create new OE means we have to change this particular OE, like LT shoot or something else, whatever is showing in the Active Directory. So accordingly, we have to change this OE. So once put the entry for the server name and correct OE and all, just save it, close it, and right click and just run with the PowerShell. That's it. So this once you run the script, automatically go to the Active Directory and users. So you can see that whether the entry is placed or not. This is just refresh it. So the entry is came here. Guys, are you getting right? Hello? Suman?
Yep, I'm good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Christian.
Okay.
Just had to move.
So
my-
once placed the server computer object in this particular OU, then we can that is fine for this. So this is a so due to creating the computer objects, that's why we are logged into the Windows server, because the AD directory uses computer. So that's why we log into remotely connect with the Windows servers and log into that particular Active Directory uses on computer servers. So once place the entry, then you can go to that one, the server. Let me reboot it. Just I am rebooting this one because the host name will take effect. That's why I wanted to reboot also, but I am from the safer side. I'm just rebooting it. Okay. So once log into that one, then we can run the command chef client -o. That's a role because this is a role for RHEL8 RHEL server underscore base Linux site. So this is a command we just run that one once after creating the computer objects. So we need to run this one because particularly this is a role for RHEL 8 for the Linux 8. For normal RHEL 7 and some CentOS ones, so we need to remove the Linux 8, only server underscore base only. So each and every OS, we have different roles and run list in Chef. So just run that one. Okay. So why we are getting this error? No, because we know the server is already part of the Chef only. So we need to remove the Chef from the node and the client also we need to remove that so that the new server will take effort, will run the Chef. So for that, I'm going to remove. If you get the same error we are getting means the problem, then there may be already client named is there. So because we already, this is the reboot server only, right? So because already part of the Chef only. So we need to remove the entry from the Chef only, then Chef will run successfully. So I'm just checking that on mode list. Yeah, is there. So we need to first delete the node. And also we need to delete the client as well. So I removed from the chip completely. Then go to this. Again, you have to run this the same chef command. So no need to install any third-party softwares, anything. Because the problem at that one, see already yesterday also Geno facing the issues. This is a problem in that one because they are testing in that one different environment. So that's why they are not putting in the common phase. Otherwise, we don't face any issues. So for that, we need to run that environment. Just put this in. Knife setting. forward the comment. Yeah, there is more in this. Let's change this. We need to set accordingly the environment, because if it is a prod service, that's why we change the environment pod. If in the QA means we have to change the QA only, we have to give this. So accordingly, each environment we are setting that one only for particular this CrowdStrike recipe only, because they are testing Cori and Gina and all. So that's why otherwise will the common for all, that is a default only prod only. So once set that one, then now we can run again. So it will install everything, all security tools like CrowdStrike and Rapid7, and everything will be installed. Yeah, the Chevron is completely run. Then you can check that what are the tools. So it's the one. These are the security tools. So they should be completely installed. This should be must be these software must be installed. Okay, whenever we are doing any rebuild or build anything. So these are the two servers, because this is security infosec tools only. So we need to, because that is a part of Chef only. If it is not running, then we have to run that one. This one. So these are all things normally we'll do this build process. So after that, this is a template is very low template only. That is we need to update that update the packages by OIM update. So I'm doing that one so that we can give the latest everything. So once will update is completed, so the kernel will be showing the latest version. So whenever you're doing the build any service, once everything done with website, then you have to update that VM update so that you can put into the service and latest kernel versions before releasing to some requester or end user. The build process document also, I know a place in that Confluence. If you want me, you can reference that document as well.
While this is running, I have a quick question. I missed where we got the root password when we did the login before we did the chef thing.
Yeah.
So
Root password,
right
you want
when
to
right after we create the host and initially comes up prior to any configuration, and before we add it, we need to SSH in as root, and I wasn't sure what the password was. Is that in the password store or?
Yeah, in the password manager, we have the link. Okay.
Okay,
So in that password manager where we can store all the passwords.
okay.
Yeah, this just now completed the patching, so we can reboot the server. So now we can log in with our ID. So we can log in with our ID because now all the ID authentications mainly set that one. So just- okay. Yeah. So everything's set. We updated the patches, everything, and it will be moved to this server's latest version for 8.8 adapt. So this is a normal process. This is a basic build process. Daniel and so on. So after that, if anything, we need to increase the disk size or else if they any requested. So accordingly, we can do that. Otherwise, this is a normal process.
Excellent.
So once we did that one, we need to place the servers in that particular run list. So for that, we need to add this like just so we need to run. No, we need to add this particularly, and one more agent also. So Datadog agents. This also we need to. So these two roles we need to be added in that in Chef, so that whenever running the Chef client, it automatically install this one. So now we can in the Chef client. So the Datadog package also we will install this one. And only data doc, the recipe should be run in only productions, so not for any non-prod service, because we are monitoring only for production service for in the data doc. So only for applicable for production service. Yeah, this is so finally we'll be completed everything. The same process we'll follow into for other flavors, Ubuntu also. So instead of we are giving Linux 8, right? In that instead of Linux 8, we need to give that in Ubuntu. So for that particular role, so that will be installed the the Ubuntu is related packages and everything. This is for only RHEL 8. The same process followed by Ubuntu. I think I have completed everything. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Okay, that was good. Thank you.
Suman? Suman? It's not there. Okay.
Yeah, called away.
That's it. Yeah.
At least we have the recording though.
No, his recording is there. Okay. Oh, that's it about the VM build process, Ganesh. That's it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me after that. No, while building the server, also you can pull me, then we can continue. Not an issue.
Okay, thanks a lot. This is great.
Okay. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. Suman. Bye, Suman. Just stop starting.